Bottoms Up is the best. It's just been unbelievable, and it's just better than we had expected. Hi, I'm Kathy Riley, and I work for Concessions International. And I'm here today at the Ronald Reagan Airport in front of our restaurant, American Tap Room. And I'm so excited to share a little bit of knowledge that I have on Bottoms Up. And we're just so excited to have this system in our restaurant. So just a little bit of background. The Ronald Reagan Airport is an extremely busy airport. The American Tap Room is in Concourse D. And the American Tap Room is where everyone wants to go before they get on their flight. So we are an extremely busy restaurant, morning, noon, and night. And having Bottoms Up installed about a month ago has just been an amazing change for all of us. Not only are we saving on waste, a storage unit, but what we are seeing now is our servers and bartenders are able to spend so much more time with our guests, interacting with them, upselling, giving them the opportunity to do multiple jobs and then still go back and pick up their beers and give them to our guests. And then what I'll end with, everyone at Bottoms Up has just been awesome. From Josh all the way down, their entire team has been here the whole way supporting all of us. And we look forward to doing so much more business with the program of the new draft system. So I welcome everyone to come visit us. We'll show you around, and then you'll be sold on wanting Bottoms Up at your establishment as well.